If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our piano tutorial videos. We're talking about progressions today in the key of G. So a common progression being 1, 4, 5, 1. The 1 in our key of G, we're going to build a chord off of that G, and it's going to be major. So that's G, B, D for our capital Roman numeral 1. To get to our major 4 chord, we'll do the 4th scaled degree of this scale, and that's C, and it's major, C, E, G. C major chord for the 4. The 5 is right next door. We're going to build a major chord off the 5th scale degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's D. Give me a D major chord spelled D, F sharp, and A. That's our 5 chord. It's major, capital Roman numeral. And then we end back on the major 1 chord, being G again, G, B, D. In one hand, it would sound like this. 2, 3, 4, G chord, C chord, that's the 4, D chord, and back on G. In 2 hands, start on G, 2, 3, rock it out, G, 2, 3, 4, C. Again, here's the 1, C is 4, D, 5, and on G. Try this out again and play on to our other chord progression videos. Thanks.